Still confused about SQL joins? Let me explain them in 60 seconds.
Think of joins as a way to connect information from two different tables. Inner joins shows only records that exist in both tables.
Left joins shows all records from the left table, even when no match exists on the right. Right joins does the opposite. It keeps everything from the right table. Full joins combines everything from both tables, matched and unmatched.
Here's the easiest way to remember it. Inner means common friends. Left means everyone on my list. Right means everyone on your list. Full means everyone together.
Master these 4 joins, and you're already ahead of most SQL beginners. Follow for more SQL tips.